One day, Mr. Hat was bored, so he decided to practice his ancient martial arts, just in case of emergency. Mr. Hat brought out his list of ancient martial arts techniques. That's quite a long list, Mr. Hat. Mr. Hat practiced his elbow plant. Mr. Hat practiced the crane. Mr. Hat practiced his stun attack. Mr. Hat's next move is the grab and punch. Mr. Hat practiced a lot of his techniques. Mr. Hat practiced the elbow slam. It's time for Mr. Hat Super Combo! Mr. Hat meditated on what he had learned today. An ancient box appeared. Mr. Hat can use a new move. Mr. Hat opened up the scroll and read what his new technique would be. It's time for Mr. Hat's Super Punch-Out!